The Eastern region was an administrative region in Nigeria dating back originally from the division of the colony Southern Nigeria in 1954. The gap between the Eastern region and other parts of Nigeria was too much. It led to the resentment and envy. Look at these facts. 1. Between 1954 and 1964, Eastern Nigeria was described as the fastest growing economy in the world by Harvard Reviews, faster than China, Singapore, and the Asian tigers. Number 2. The Eastern government was the only government in the world that invested 45% of its revenues in education. Number 3. The Eastern region has the biggest electricity supply, best hospitals, and the Igbos made up 60% of Nigerian civil service. Number 4. The Eastern Nigeria had the highest number of registered cars in Nigeria as at 1963 by a large margin. Number 5. The number of registered businesses in Nigeria as at 1963 was as follows: East 68,220, West 5,776, North 2,407. Number 6. All the progress the Eastern Nigeria made was destroyed during the Civil War, and we are still recovering from it. And we give credits for this material to Modernization and Politics, Disintegration, Nigeria and the Igbo by Paul Amber.